Hi, I'm Beth.
てっぺんです。
Let's go. Arima. Frozen waterfall. Hopefully it's frozen today.
It's not too cold today.
Yeah, I know. It's
Maybe
quite
having
sunny. Having organic pizza.
She just dropped it.
I dropped it. But still eating it. It was only 1 second, so it's fine.
Huh?
Walking through the taki in Okinawa. That was so cold.
You should check it out. Bushwalk.
We're going to Saudi Arabia. Hopefully.
I don't think.
Or maybe Mizuochi. No one else understands that.
No one else. Only us.
I will explain for English people. Mizu in Japanese is water. Ochiru means fall. So waterfall, mizu ochiru. But that's not really. Actual waterfall is taki. But it's just another funny thing. That's all.
That's how we best explained.
Yeah. When I
Waterfall.
couldn't remember the word waterfall one day, I couldn't remember the word taki. I was like, let's go to the mizu ochiru. Waterfall.
And I understood.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
Yeah. You speak my language.
Because I could understand what you're trying to say.
If you are curious about what language we speak, usually as an international couple, see our video here.
Don't miss it. Ah. Don't go. Dangerous. How you know?
A feeling. I have a feeling. What did the fish say when it ran into the wall?
Fuck.
No, it said, damn! Damn is like damn, and damn is like damn it, damn, like oh shit, like, damn. Wow, that's it.
ほんまや。マジシャン。あ、スノー。スノー。
I don't mean like no, I mean like no. Excited now. Like no, 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 no. Yes.
ノーです。 Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Not like smiles. Ah.
Image area.
Japan?
Yahoo!
かわいい。あ、だ。What's your song now?
Climbing song?
Mhm.
Okay. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole. There's a hole. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a fucking hole in the bottom of That's the chorus. There's a flea in the fly in the frog and the bop and the log and the hole in the bottom of the sea. There. Exhausting.
Almost there. Careful. I don't know. 違うかな。We made mistake.
We're lost in the mountains of Kobe.
We got to go back. Hi.
We're back here again. We walked maybe half an hour into the mountains. Saw some beautiful things, but we went the total opposite direction to what we were meant to go. Actually, on this sign, it says the name of the waterfall. Someone has written it. That's nice of them.
But tiny.
That's tiny.
This big one means don't go this way.
Yeah.
But we.
Don't go this way. This is the way to the waterfall. Don't go this way.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my god.
Careful.
Nice. Well, you saw the beautiful creek that we found. So that was nice at least.
Yeah.
So confused, so tiny.
Thank you for.
Thank you, Ryan.
あ。上。
Was so close to that other sign. We walked like an hour the other way.
So close.
It was literally like, just like, not even like 100 meters away, right?
Yeah. What the hell?
We made it. We came from up there.
I found something interesting.
It's melting inside. Kind of creepy though at the same time. I found the dinosaur. Ta-da! Yeah. Now we need to try and get back up that hill. So we will see you on the other side. Hi, I'm Bethany. Nice to meet you.
No, thank you.